Okay, so this is Tamra Capajon doing the cinnamon challenge. If she can do it, are you gonna do it?
This shit is gonna suck.
Are you gonna commit?
Yeah, I'm gonna commit.
Just don't die.
All right, just
Wait,
no.
There's a hair.
Ew.
There's a hair on the spoon. Get off.
All right, no more stalling.
I'm not stalling. Okay. Wait, so I just eat it and swallow it?
You don't. No, don't swallow.
No, yeah,
Are
you're
you
supposed to swallow it. That's the point of the challenge. Just all in your mouth.
Get your mouth nice and moist for the cinnamon.
I don't know.
Open it
I'm
wide.
telling you to swallow it.
Nom nom nom.
No, don't taste it. No, Tamara, stop.
That's cheating.
Okay, on the count of 3. If Jenna Marbles can do it, you can.
Jenna Marbles inspired this shit. Look at this.
All right, ready?
This is a big ass spoon.
2.
Hold on, bitches. I want you to look at a regular spoon. See how little this is? Look at this. Little, big ass spoon.
Really
All right, on the count of 3, okay? I don't have that much memory. All right, 1, 2, 3.
Wait.
Tamara! Try your hardest. Try your hardest.
Sink right there just in case. Don't laugh because we're laughing. Open your mouth. Nah. Sorry about the shaking. It's just so hard not to laugh. It smells like cinnamon now. Woo. Good job.
Holy